gonna see. I don't know if we're gonna go forward or we're gonna turn around.
We're gonna leaving Havre Saint Pierre. Bye bye for now. We'll come back after few days. Why the other people there is working in the villa?
No, they work over there.
Just only there, but they are contracting.
That they're preparing for the cruise ship.
Merci Sylvie, c'est beau, bon déjeuner.
Oh yeah, here is the cruise ship. Cruise ship. See? May nadauan ay may na ano natin dito sa may Saint Havre Saint Pierre. About maybe 2,000 passenger on board on this cruise ship. I don't know what is the name of this cruise ship, but they are from Mexico. Mexico, Pampanga. Joke only. Nakakasilaw naman yung araw. Natapat pa kasi yung hindi na makita. It's moving?
But of course it's moving. It's a ship.
Yeah, it's moving already. Going to park there?
Yeah.
Oh, it's a big cruise ship.
Seals in the water.
Are you? The one?
Yeah.
This one? This the one I can see.
I don't know if you can see.
This one is a lot of
Yeah.
or sea lion.
Not sea lion. Seals.
Seals. There's a lot. Okay, we don't have. Yeah, we will see the see now the cruise ship is there. Ponant. Laki, oh. It's a big just like the same the CSL there. The same big as the CSL cargo and the cruise ship. Yeah, the cruise ship. One day I will go there. What's that flag?
France.
France. Comment ça va? Ça va bien. Le real. Lelelier Ponant. Laki oh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Andun yung ano niya oh, yung VIP nasa ano niya oh. Wow, magkatabi na sila oh. Yung CSL saka Pierbeck. Nagpaparada na sila. Magpa-ano daw, pagka tawag doon, magpaparking sila dito. Buti hindi namin na kasi pag naabutan namin yan na nakaparada na, eh hanggang alas 3 pa kami dadaong din yan. Pagkakarga at kaya lang naunahan namin, kaya pinagbigyan kami. Pag nauna sila nagbaba, malamang sa malamang alas 3 na kami ng hapon na pagkaalis niyan, alas 3 ng hapon. Oh, yun eh. Sila yun. Yun, sila yun. Sitsil. Oh. Oh. Hindi na makikita. Tignan na lang natin dito sa mga iba. Ayan, malawak pala itong village na to hanggang doon sa isang pinakamalaking ano daw, parang city na itong Havre Saint-Pierre. Ang dami kanina yung ganun eh. At kasunod na pupuntahan na natin ay Natasquan. Wala na, nandun sila sa ano. Andun, ang dami kanina eh. So hanggang dito na lang po ang ating vlog ngayong araw. At mag-iingat po palagi. At happy lang. Bye bye and God bless. See you sa next video.